Hi everyone, this is Dr. Martinez again. We hope you've been enjoying our three-part series on headaches. In the first video, we actually share with you a little bit about the most common causes of headaches. So please go ahead and look at that video just for a little refresher. We share with you also the story about Tim and his headaches, his long-time struggle with headaches also. In this video, we wanted to share with you 3 simple tips that you could actually do to help reduce your headaches. So let's go ahead and get started. So tip number 1 is something that is not common knowledge, is often very overlooked, and is actually one of the simplest things you could do to help reduce your headaches, but it could also go a long way to help reducing your stress, help reduce neck pain, help reduce back pain, help reduce inflammation, and that is actually breathing with your diaphragm. What you want to do is you want to avoid breathing with your chest. When you breathe with your chest, that causes a lot of the muscles in the chest and the shoulders to become tight. Also in the neck area, that pulls on the spine and pulls on all the structures and the joints and the nerves in that area, and that could actually contribute to your headaches. So you want to practice being a diaphragmatic breather, meaning breathing with your stomach. So we usually advocate with our patients that during the treatments that we help incorporate certain core exercises and also certain breathing exercises to take some of the tension off the neck muscles in that area. Does that make sense? You guys with me so far? Another common thing that I see in the office is allergy sufferers. We find that, with stuffy nose, you do become a chest breather. One of the things that I do when I find my nose is a little stuffy is I use a little peppermint essential oil to kind of just wave it around, and that kind of helps me open up the sinuses and helps me get a good breath. So that's tip number 1. You want to breathe with your diaphragm. Tip number 2 is also one of the things that's often overlooked in our office, and that is practicing proper posture while you're sitting at the computer, when you're driving, and also while you're texting. Anytime you sit at a computer screen or if you sit texting and your head is too far forward, that puts a lot of stress and tension in the neck muscles, and that could also contribute to your headaches. So just to kind of give you guys a good idea of your proper posture, you want to sit up nice and straight, chest and shoulders back. You want to engage your core, head directly over your shoulders, and of course you want to practice tip number 1, which is breathing with your diaphragm, and then that'll help engage all the correct muscles. So you can see why sitting in that posture will not only help your neck pain, reduce your headaches, but it could also help reduce your lower back pain because you're engaging your core and you're sitting up straighter. So that's tip number 2, practicing good posture. Tip number 3 is stretching. That's something that you could do very easily throughout the day. You could do that to take a couple breaks in the middle of the day at work. You never want to go a whole day or hours on end just sitting without stretching your neck muscles, because otherwise things become tight. Oftentimes, as part of our treatments for headaches in the office, we incorporate chiropractic treatments along with certain exercises and stretches to help strengthen certain muscles and also stretch muscles that may be tight. Remember, when you're performing your stretches, you definitely do not want to be dizzy. You shouldn't have any pain. You shouldn't have any tingling or anything out of the ordinary other than a nice comfortable stretch. This is definitely something that we could talk about in the office to kind of get a little more detail with it. The key is to hold this stretch for about 20 seconds, and then you want to repeat this a couple of times a day. So those are our 3 tips. We hope you found these videos valuable. Again, as part of these videos, we are offering a free complimentary Find Your Headache Relief session where we'll sit down with you and we'll help get past any of the confusion and help overcome or help find any hidden challenges that may be contributing to your headache-free lifestyle. And you're going to leave this session feeling refreshed and renewed, and will definitely guide you towards this headache-free lifestyle. Now, just to make a little bonus for you, I did talk a little bit about essential oils. So for those of you who are interested, for those of you who caught the essential oil, we will give the first 5 people that call and mention the essential oil and speak with me directly, Dr. Hector Martinez, in addition to the complimentary session. So Hope you guys found this video valuable. Please share with anybody that you feel may benefit from this information, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.